Magical twinkling sounds and a fast beat. Welcome to the land where the rivers flow with fudge. Grab a spoon, everyone, let's go! Step inside, what do you see? A caramel leaf on a cocoa tree. A caramel leaf on a cocoa tree. The ground is made of cookie crumbs, and the giant bees make a honey pop hum. And the giant bees make a honey pop hum. Look up high, don't be shy. There's a marshmallow